warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I hope you're fine. Okay, I'm sitting in here. I won't tell about myself. My name is Adiani Saifullah. You can call me Adiani. I was born Bogor, 4th of March 2001. I am 15 years old. My hobby is swimming, playing basketball, traveling, and eating. My school is Smakbo. Before I school at Kota Mubina Islamic Boarding School. I'm the first student from my boarding. Before five of my friends follow to testing too, but only me to accept at Smakbo. I feel so happy, but I feel sad too because they are not accept in Smakbo. Maybe enough for me. This is my story. And last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.